Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can reset GTA 5 online account full guide. So basically this is extremely simple. Now to make this video short, the first thing that you want to do is to simply open up your GTA 5 game and head over to the Grand Theft Auto Online settings. From here, you then want to simply click on this online button. And inside this option, you then want to choose swap character. Wait for the game to load in and it will take you to this page right here where you can simply select or create a new character. Now to reset your character, you then want to click on the delete button and this will basically delete all of the progress on your character resetting your GTA 5 account. If this video has been helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.